Hi, Hugh Taylor here from Economy PR. Just wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you about backlink diversity, which is something that we can help you with a press release. So when we write and distribute a press release for you, it's picked up by about 300 media sites, and each one potentially can be a backlink to your site, although you may need to run them through an indexing service to get all of them as backlinks. But one of the goals of the process is to create some diversity in backlinks across the web for your search engine process. So this is a sample press release. It's obviously just made up for this demo, so it's not meant to be like a perfect press release, but just to show you. This is the website. So it's Acme introduces a new orange sponge, which is a kitchen product from Amazon.com. So their website is www.acmeinc.com. So we can put in our service up to 3 backlinks in the press release, 3 hyperlinks in the press release. So the question is, how should we place them, and what variants of the URL should we use? So this is what I've learned has worked based on working with a lot of SEO experts as clientele. So we take the hyperlink. So the first one I like to do is just the name of the company itself. That's usually a pretty good backlink. And we'll just insert them here as Microsoft Word hyperlinks, just so we know what they are. Then one thing that I've also seen to work a lot, there's a some people want to know, how do you put the full URL into a press release? Because it's a little bit kind of awkward in terms of writing to put like a full URL. So what I've learned is I use this phrase. I say, as detailed on their site, and then I'll put in the full HTTPS so it's part of a sentence now. It says, as detailed on their site, https acmeinc.com, the sponges. So therefore, then it's sort of like, it flows as a normal English language sentence. And my goal with these press releases is to make them readable, even though a lot of times they don't get read very much. But you always want to have the press release read well, in case someone does find it online and they read about it, and it's like that's your company or your client's company. One thing which some people do also if they have an Amazon product is they link the Amazon, just the name Amazon or Amazon.com with the Amazon link. So those are 3 backlinks. Another way to have some link diversity is just to if you have this phrase, for more information, so you can just put acmeinc.com, but you can give it the full URL. So you use some link diversity. You can also, now what I'm going to do now is show you how this actually looks in the interface for the press release distribution service. So here's Marketers Media, which we use. So you have, what you can do here is you can insert links. So unfortunately, these links that we put in actually disappear. So, but that's my problem, not yours. I have to redo them. But you can add a link, and oops, sorry, one second. You can insert the links any way you want. So for example, let's say that in this link you don't want www, you just want http. Okay, and there's your link. So it puts in the links for you, and then you have to create your backlinks, even if the URL is right in the press release. So we'll say Acme Inc. Now one thing you can do here is you can also add a video URL on the service. If you have a video, so put your video URL. You can also put your URL in a second time as the go-to. You can put in images as well. So that's just a little demo of how to create link diversity with a press release. Thank you for joining us today.